Okay, we're going to the first place I ever flew a drone, and we're going to test out the 4-inch ballerina once again. I think I've only flown it a few times and I've broken 3 motors, so if you want motor protection, it's not for you. But if you're going to be a good FPV pilot and you like the flywoo, oh my goodness, I shouldn't be doing this. It's cold and windy. The flywoo flies like poo compared to the ballerina. I'll show you. Let's go.